Want to make your videos look more vibrant and brighter without touching your brightness slider? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a smart setting that automatically boosts screen brightness when you watch videos. It's perfect for apps like YouTube and Netflix. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features, then tap Video Brightness. Now select Bright. This temporarily increases your screen brightness and makes color pop when you are watching videos. Below that, you will see a list of supported apps like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and more. Toggle on the apps you want the setting to apply to. As the example, we will enable it for YouTube and Netflix. With the setup, now next time you watch videos or movies on YouTube or Netflix, your screen will automatically get brighter, giving you a better viewing experience without changing your overall brightness settings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.